Welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a table for two, so come on with me guys. Now the tablecloth on this table is like a very delicate gold, and then we have that purple runner, and both items were thrifted. Now the Dollar Tree is carrying the B chargers, so you want to head on over there and get those because they are beautiful. Guys, yes, I am using my succulent plates. They are so beautiful. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's my favorite time of the week. Now Tablescape Tuesdays is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's myself, and Amethyst Adventures. Now the salad plates are that really pretty faint green color, which goes perfectly with this place setting. Then we have the glassware, which is thrifted from the Goodwill. Now we can't have a table for two in a succulent theme without the succulents. Now this was a DIY floral arrangement, and I happened to make that in the lavender and yellow tulips, which I thought would go perfect right here on the table. I did wrap some jute twine around that vase, and there's a hanging bee, so this is like perfect. Okay, now the napkins were thrifted, perfect color for this table. And then the utensils I purchased at Walmart. So I'm lighting the candles. Let's head on over to the reveal, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.